Hello there and welcome to our channel. So the Pixel 6a has been extensively leaked in the past several months, with renders and rumors giving us a fair idea in terms of what to expect from the smartphone. And although the launch date of the smartphone isn't over yet, many believe it will be announced at the Google I/O 2022, which is inching closer as we speak. However, Prosser says that the phone is projected to launch in most markets on July 28th. Speaking about the phone, this year's Pixel 6a could be vastly the same as the base Pixel 6. It's a very different kind of phone in comparison to the Pixel 4a in the sense that it focuses on every aspect other than cameras. The phone will have same design in the rear as the Pixel 6, but it could be made of plastic instead of glass and metal. Leaks also have suggested that the Pixel 6a could get a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a refresh rate of 90Hz. Now that's not as high as we are seeing on a lot of other phones these days, however 90Hz is still better than 60. It will also have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Coming to performance, it will most likely be powered by Google's own Tensor processor, making it just as powerful as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Sure, other hardware would likely be weaker. It's said to come with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone is also said to have a 4500 mAh battery with a 20W charging solution. About cameras, it roughly matches the specs of the Google Pixel 5. A 12.2MP Sony IMX363 primary, 12MP Sony IMX383 ultra-wide, and an 8MP Sony IMX355 selfie camera. The phone will ship with Android 12 out of the box, but it could get Android 13 as and when it gets released. As for pricing, we would expect it to land in between $400 to $500. Also, unlike Pixel 5a, the Pixel 6a will be made widely available. It's highly likely that we may see Pixel 6a land in India this time around. Well, that is all we know right now. For more such videos, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.